Welcome to the technical guide for the best inverter batteries under 15,000 rupees. This market analysis is designed for electricians and professional installers. We begin with the basics, focusing on tubular technology and why it's crucial for achieving a long battery life. Tubular batteries, specifically tall tubular, are recommended. They are ideal for long power cuts, offering a 5 to 7 year life. Flat plate batteries are cheaper but prone to erosion and only last 2 to 3 years under heavy load. Tubular batteries last longer due to their spine construction, which resists corrosion. They have a higher acid volume, reducing top-up frequency, and can handle up to 80% depth of discharge without cell damage. Next, we move to Part 2, our top recommendations. These are batteries with tested performance and are available under the 15,000 rupees price point. The Luminous RC 18,000 is the industry standard with 150 Ah capacity. It offers a great balance of reliability and price, typically ranging from 12,500 rupees to 14,000 rupees. Remember to use distilled water for the best performance. The Exide Invamaster IMST 1500, the reliability king, is known for rugged lead alloys and longevity. It offers fast charge recovery and usually costs between 13,500 rupees and 14,500 rupees. For budget picks, consider Microtek EB 1900 with 160 Ah capacity for around 13,000 rupees. Amaron Current is a hassle-free, low-maintenance option for about 13,800 rupees. Okaya Power is also a solid alternative at around 12,200 rupees. This technical comparison table summarizes the capacity, type, warranty, and estimated price for the top-rated models we've discussed. Here is a quick look at the expected backup time for a 150 Ah battery. A 400W load yields about 3.5 to 4 hours, while a 100W load of lights only can last over 15 hours. Our installation checklist includes checking specific gravity, applying petroleum jelly to terminals, ensuring 6 inches of ventilation space, and matching the inverter's battery type switch. The expert verdict for the best mix of life, performance, and service is the Luminous RC 18,000. Please note that prices vary by location and old battery exchange value.